Here's how to create a Facebook carousel post using Canva. Open Canva and click Social Media in the middle of the homepage. In the search bar, type Carousel. You will see options including Carousel Instagram Post and Link Carousel. Choose either of these rather than a Facebook-specific template, since the dimensions of Instagram Carousel and Link Carousel templates are better suited for Facebook carousel posts. Browse the templates on the left sidebar and select one that fits your content style. Click the template to open it in the editor. If the template has multiple pages and you want to use all of them, click Apply All Pages. Otherwise, click only the specific pages you need. Customize each page with your own text, images, and brand colors. Each page of the carousel is one slide in the final post, so make sure each one has a clear visual and message that works both alone and as part of a sequence. A common mistake is making the last slide too similar to the first. The final slide should have a clear call to action so readers know what to do after viewing the whole carousel. Once finished, click Share and Download to save your pages as separate images or as a PDF, then upload them as your carousel on Facebook. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.